Hello beautiful people, in today's class we'll be learning how to achieve this beautiful butterfly sleeve, and I have my material 18 inches by 18 inches, and you'll be folding it down this way into two first, and also you would fold it into two first and you fold it this way again, making it 4. So I have 9 inches, which is the length of my sleeve. 9 inches. I will be marking 9 inches all round this way, placing your tape at the center and you take it round. Now marking 9 inches, this is the length of the sleeve. Your own length may be different from mine, so work with your own length. For me here, I have 9 inches. So we'll carefully cut this out. This is it after we are done cutting. And this is the blouse we want to attach the sleeve to it. We'll take the measurement of the armhole circumference here. What I have here is 17 divided by 2. I have 8.5. We'll fold again in order to identify the midpoint or the center. So this is the center here. So on one side we are marking 5 inches. We're marking 5 inches. Half of it is 2.5. That is what I marked there, because the radius I'm working with is 2.5. So if your own armhole circumference is 17, you can make use of this number. But if it is different, you work your radius. Here we have 2.5. You mark 2.5 all around this way. So this is it. So let's measure and see whether we'll be achieving 8.5. What I have here is exactly 8.5. Or you can take the measurement this way. Also I have 8.5. And this is the length for the sleeve, which is 9 inches. We'll be cutting this out. So this is it. The shorter side will be on the underarm. We'll place a notch here. This longer side will be attaching it from the shoulder. Also place a notch here. So this is it for our butterfly sleeve. So we'll be attaching the sleeve to the blouse. The shorter side will be placing it at the underarm, while the longer side will be attaching it at the shoulder this way. We'll go to our machine now and attach it. So I've gone ahead to finish the raw edges. You turn the blouse outside to the wrong side and you insert the sleeve inside and secure it with a pin. So the sleeve is inside and you stitch them together. So friends, if you're getting any form of value from this video, please consider to like, share and subscribe. I would really appreciate it.